Nice to meet you. Thank you for receiving me today and for all your wonderful efforts. Well, of course, I've heard of your name for many years. Now I have the privilege of meeting you. You know, this is, according to our Shastras, this is the most wonderful thing that one can do with one's, it says, artayar, prayar artayar diya vacha, that with our life, with our energy, with our wealth, and with our words, we should serve the Supreme, and we're all part of that Supreme.
We have a wonderful experience and attachment with ISKCON. And even when we are basically thinking what we can do for a Kumbh Mela standpoint of view, and when it has come about the Prasadam point of view, then immediately at the first point, what basically best can any institute can basically do it in the best manner, that is ISKCON.